Hello viewers, today I'm going to share with you about the things you must do after joining Live Good. But before that, you may click the subscribe button, like this video, and leave your comment below if you have any questions. Okay, let's start. Hoping na nasabihan ako before kung ano yung mga bagay na dapat kong gawin after joining Live Good. Kasi nangapa ako, hindi ko alam yung gagawin ko nung una and pinalipas ko muna yung almost 2 months bago talaga ako kumilos. But in between the days, nagre-research ako, nagbabasa-basa ako, naghahanap ako. I continued researching about Live Good and pinag-aralan ko rin yung back-end ng website. Hindi mo na kailangang mga pa. I will tell you the 8 things you must do in order to do this business. Okay? Set up how Live Good will pay you. Kailangan mong i-set up muna yon kasi hindi ka makaka-receive ng commission kung hindi mo siya i-set up. So, may dalawang paraan paano mo i-set up, kung ano ang uunahin mo, depends on you. So, the first thing you must do is punta kayo sa iyong website and then click mo tong my earnings na to and then lalabas ito. Okay? Meron dito, select your payment option and transfer commission to credit wallet. Mamimili ka sa dalawang to. Pero eventually, kailangan mong i-set up itong iyong, meron kasi ditong e-wallet, kailangan mong i-set up tong global e-payment wallet mo. But I suggest, ang una mo munang gawin is transfer commissions to your credit wallet. Okay? So, yung transfer commission to credit wallets, select mo lang tong I would like to credit all of my earnings to my credit wallet. And then, tap save. Ganun lang ang una mong gagawin. I have a separate tutorial on that. I will place the link in the description below. Okay? Next thing is like these social media accounts kasi dito mo makikita yung mga updates, dito ka pwedeng makipag-interact or pag may question ka pwedeng magtanong sa mga ka-team o kasamahan natin sa group, okay? This is international, so halo-halo tong grupo na to. The first one is yung corporate FB page. At dito nagpo-post yung company about product updates, okay? And testimonial FB group, dito mo naman makikita yung mga testimonials about products. Kasi ito yung mga taong gumagamit na ng products natin, and pinopost nila doon yung development nitong kanilang wellness journey. Okay? Next is yung corporate YouTube channel. Dito mo makikita yung updates on products, updates about yung nangyayari sa company, and may mga tips din silang binibigay dito, na-upload yung ating mga trainings. And yung compensation plan. Kung naguguluhan ka sa compensation plan, this one is a very detailed explanation of that. Okay? I will be placing the link in the description din sa baba para hindi ka na mag-take notes. Okay? Ask for your upline for groups to join like Facebook groups, chats, or Telegram. Kung saan doon nilalagay yung mga updates about Zoom trainings. Okay? So, kailangan mong itanong yun sa iyong upline. Familiarize yourself with the back end of the website. This is very, very important kasi para alam mong i-navigate yung website in case na merong magtanong sa'yo and doon mo rin lahat makikita ng information relevant to the business. Okay? And the next thing is attend Zoom trainings. Doon ka matututo sa trainings. Meron tayong corporate Zooms 3 times a week and meron ding almost daily for the teams. Okay? So, yung ating Zoom for the corporate is makikita mo mismo dun sa iyong dito sa webinar schedules. Ayan, makikita mo dito. Meron tayong 3. Thursday, Friday, and Monday. Itong Friday na 12 midnight, 12 noon sa kanila, midnight dito sa atin, you may watch it sa YouTube kasi usually these are live. So, hindi naman nila tinatanggal, nandun lang siya. So, pwede mong panoorin. And itong almost daily naman dito sa atin, usually Mondays hanggang Saturdays meron, depende doon sa teams or doon sa groups. Pwede ka namang sumali kahit sa ang group. Okay? Marami kang makukuhang information doon. Okay? Optimize your social media account kung meron ka man kasi since the business is digital, pwede kang mag-invite digitally. Hindi mo kailangang lumabas ng bahay para mag-invite lang. Pero pag wala kang social media account, wala namang problem kasi pwede ka lang lumabas para imbitahin yung kapitbahay mo, yung mga kamag-anak mo, o yung mga kaibigan mo. Okay? What I mean by optimization is parang ganito. Hindi mo naman kailangang magbayad. This one is kagagawa ko lang nito kasi wala pang halos laman. Optimization, what I mean is maglagay ka ng profile picture kasi kailangan ng mukha doon para ang tao hindi magko-question kung scam ba ito o hindi. Okay? So, kailangan clear yung iyong profile picture. And then, yung iyong cover page, kailangan naka-align doon sa theme or doon sa brand na gusto mong i-convey sa tao, okay? And yung pangalan usually dapat, sinasuggest ko is same as the username na ginamit mo doon sa Liquid. Or mas maganda nga, yung iyong full name. Ito kasi, nagawa ko na to so kailangan kong antayin yung 60 days bago ko mapalitan yung pangalan. Gusto ko kasing ilagay sa pangalan ko para yung tao hindi mahihirapan maghanap. Yun ang purpose nun. And then, dapat yung intro mo dito or yung bio is naka-align din doon sa gusto mong gawin. Since ang ating company, ang mission is really to help people, ang inilagay ko din dito is to assist individuals in achieving wellness, maintain their health, and attain financial independence. Palang ang laman nito kasi sinimulan ko before, tapos dine-activate ko, tapos inactivate ko lang nung isang araw ulit. Okay? Madaling magbago isip ko, Gemini. I'm sorry. So, let's go back to the slide. Make your 90-day plan. Okay, gawin mo yung 90-day plan na in those 3 months, pagdating ng katapusan ng 3 months, dapat nakapag-enroll ka na ng ilang tao. Ang iba kasi within 3 months nag-diamond na eh. So, since ako talaga, hindi ko talaga ito tinutukan, pinabayaan ko siya for almost 2 months. So, now parang nag-uumpisa pa rin uli ako. But, since the compensation plan of the company includes those who are not even enrolling or selling, kung hindi ka comfortable magbenta, kung hindi ka comfortable mag-recruit ng tao, pwede ka namang hindi mag-recruit, okay? But you have to wait. Some kumikita na ng within 3 months, some 6 months, depende dun sa bilis ng upline mo magpasok o mag-enroll ng tao. Important, gagawa ka talaga ng plan kasi doon mo ma-visualize kung ano talaga yung gusto mong target, okay? Gumawa ka ng vision board o kahit lang mga picture, maglagay ka sa wall mo, gusto kong ma-achieve ito within 3 months or yung weekly, ano ang kailangan mong gawin weekly? Kailangan ko bang mag-post daily? Kailangan kong mag-invite ng 10 tao daily? Kasi it's not that easy to invite. Doon sa mga gusto, pero doon sa mga gustong to wait it out lang, it's up to you, okay? Kasi mas mabilis kang kikita, mas mabilis kang yayaman kung mag-invite ka ng tao, okay? Next thing is post, invite daily, do your own research. Dapat araw-araw mo talaga siyang gagawin, consistent ka, dapat meron kang focus. Kasi pag itinigil mo lang siya ng ibang araw, parang mawawala yung momentum and mawawala yung gana mo. So dapat push mo lang yung sarili mo araw-araw, kahit one post a day. At least alam ng mga tao, alam ng mga friends mo na you are doing this. And magwa-wonder sila, ano kaya to? Kasi lagi niyang pinopost daily. And also nga yung sinasabi ko na do your own research. Kasi hindi naman lahat pwedeng isubo sa'yo, okay? Maraming tutorials sa YouTube. Pwede nyo rin akong i-follow dito. Kasi I have promised myself that I will consistently make content with value. So you may subscribe if you like, but I demand that you subscribe. Okay? Number 8 is focus. You have to focus. Today, you have to decide. Kung ngayon ka sumali, you have to decide once that today you will be unstoppable. Kailangan ka talagang mag-focus. I-anuhin mo yung mindset mo na ito na talaga yung gagawin ko. I will not look back. Pwede kang mag-look back after a year or two. Mag-look back ka, uy, ano na ba yung naging improvement ko? But now, kailangan mo lang mag-focus, okay? I-push mo yung sarili mo na gagawin ko to daily, gagawin ko to araw-araw because I have a plan. Okay? But if you don't have any plans, just scratch it kung ayaw mong magkaroon ng improvement sa iyong life, okay? But I suggest talaga, especially doon sa mga if you happen to be an OFW na nanonood ka ngayon, if you happen to be a single mom na nahihirapan kang to make the ends meet, I suggest that you do this business kasi malaki talaga ang opportunity mo dito. This is a business that is really booming now and nag-grow na siya worldwide. Actually, marami na tayo, lumago na tayo ng more than 650,000 paid subscribers sa buong mundo and still growing. And Pilipinas ngayon is number 1 Number one sa team building, I mean doon sa growth, there is a possibility, pinag-uusapan na magtayo ng warehouse dito sa Pilipinas. So, hindi na tayo mahihirapang mag-order ng products kasi it's very easy for us. Madali na nating marireceive yung products, okay? Unlike now na napakatagal dumating ng products, almost a month. Sa mga probinsya, more than a month, almost 2, ganon. So, nadi-discourage yung iba mag-order even though napakababa na nung price ng products, it's because of the shipping fee and yung tagal dumating. Okay? Pero dumadating naman siya. And lastly, I will just read this to you. This is from Ed Millet, isang successful entrepreneur and coach. You may not see the input immediately, but every effort, every action, every choice, they all contribute to shaping your future and the world around you. So, be intentional in your actions. So, dapat yung action mo talaga is, you have the intention. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? Be intentional in your actions, for even the smallest steps can lead to the greatest outcomes. Ayun, dapat serious ka doon sa iyong intentions. Ano ba yung intention mo? Ginagawa ko to kasi alam ko na in the future magbubunga. Hindi mo muna siya makikita kasi hindi naman ganun kadali eh. Hindi, di ba? Pag nagtanim ka ng puno, hindi mo naman agad makikita yung bunga. You have to wait. You have to wait. Even doon sa mga nag-aantay lang sa spillover, you have to wait. In my experience, out of 15 people, minsan isa lang yung sasagot. Isa lang yung magre-respond sa'yo doon sa invitation mo. Minsan nga wala pa. So, just be patient. Merong tatlong kind of tao na yung iba, pag narinig yung iyong proposal is hindi ka pakikinggan or palalagpasin lang sa kabilang time. May iba, makikinig sila dahil kaibigan kanila, pero against talaga sa loob nila. So, wala silang gagawin. Merong iba na makikinig sa'yo and gagawin nila yung sinasabi. But, it doesn't matter. Pag merong nag-disregard sa'yo, go into the next one. Eventually talaga makakahanap ka. And, kagandahan dito sa business, kahit hindi ka makahanap, kahit ginawa mo na every effort, wala ka pa rin nakuha, don't worry, as long as you are an affiliate and a paid subscriber, is magkakaroon ka talaga ng kita. Okay? Yung affiliate membership mo is hindi mawawala sa iyo yon kahit maputol yung iyong subscription, andoon pa rin yun, and anytime pwede ka pa rin bumalik, you're still a member. Hoping you have learned something from this video. Just leave your comment below, and if you also want to join under my team, I will be placing the link in the description below. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. See you again next time.